Guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel, Homemade Living. Today we have another website and another tutorial on how to create your account and become a tutor of any language on this website. The website we have today is called italki.com, a website that allows teachers, qualified teachers, professional teachers, and anyone with the ability to teach languages to join them as a tutor on this platform. So let's get started. As I said, the website is called italki.com. As you can see here, once you open the website, it looks just like this. Very simple, very straightforward. You will see some teachers here, subjects that they allow teachers to teach, mainly languages. And you will see some testimonies from students here. Anyway, that's not our topic now. We're going to see how to create an account and how to join them and become a tutor on this platform. First of all, click on become a teacher. You click on become a teacher here. It will take you to another page. It will give you a checklist. First of all, you have to check if your language is available. Check if your language is available. Click on this checklist and it will take you to another page, and that page will show you all the available languages, the languages that they open for applications. Check your language and you will see here, like for example, Chinese closed for both, for professional teachers and for community teachers. English closed. French closed for both professional and community teacher. German is open. Okay, so you just have to check if your language is open and then proceed with your application. Once you find out if your language is open for applications, go back and go down here and click on I agree to allow italki or its third party to perform ID verification, because they will ask you to verify your ID. Click here and start your application. Once you click on start application, they will ask you to create an account with your email and create a password. Then they will send you some details to verify your email, and that's it. They will ask you something else, to create a video, an introduction video, which they will request from any applicants who want to join them as a tutor. Okay, so there are some specifications and guidelines for the videos they want. So they will show you how to create a video. Very simple, very straightforward. And once you create your video, you just have to wait for them to approve your account and you're ready to go, ready to start working with them as a teacher. Very simple, very straightforward. You guys just have to create your account and wait for the approval time, which takes 3 days to 1 week, and that's it. Once you are approved, you are all set to start receiving orders and bookings from students, and happy teaching, happy earning. Don't you forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe to the channel so I can create more content like this and show you websites where you can earn some money from anywhere in the world. Good luck guys, see you soon in another tutorial. Bye.